Hi, this is Mike, Family DIY TV, and I just want to quickly show you some smart features that we just added to our new kitchen. All right, and everything I'm going to show you, I'm actually going to put a link to it down below, so if you want to pick it up, you can. But the first thing I want to show you is our faucet. How can your faucet be smarter than it already is, right? Simple, touchless. This is very nice. It works very well. This is the Kraus faucet. The Britt is the model. It's the commercial one. And it works really cool. And you can also use it as a standard, so you can overwrite. So that's pretty cool. When you're cooking, you got a bunch of stuff on your hands. There you go. All right, so we're gonna stay with faucets. Now, this is another Kraus product. And the neat thing about this one is to turn it on, all you need to do is touch it. And this turns on and turns off. Now, just like the other one, you can overwrite that by using the handle, okay? But this is actually filtered water and spray if needed. So pretty cool, pretty smart faucet. I like it, from Kraus. I'll put a link to this down below as well. Next one I'm gonna show you under cabinet lighting and toe kick lighting. So if you're interested in installing this, I'm definitely gonna be making a video on how to do this customized. You can see all these are different customized lengths. I'll show you how to do that in another video. But I think this is pretty cool too, because I can just change the color right on my phone. I can even say, turn off the cabinet lights. So, make the cabinet lights red. So, make the cabinet lights white. So, that's pretty cool. That's pretty smart. I don't know, I think it is. All right, another thing that we did, probably unnecessary, is we actually made our lighting smart, okay? So, you can also use all of your home assistants to change the color of the lights in here. But if you want to, and I'll put a link to these lights down below, you can change the color of the lights in the kitchen at any time. Now, this is probably really unnecessary, but the reason why I did this is because, well, I can, and I thought it would be cool for the kids for birthdays, or it's cool for sporting events. When the Eagles went to the Super Bowl, I was able to make it green in here. When our daughter's birthday, she likes purple, I can make the kitchen purple. So I think this is pretty cool. Is it unnecessary? Absolutely, but it's pretty smart and pretty cool. My favorite feature is the music syncing feature that basically changes the lights with the beat of the music. I think it's pretty cool. My wife hates it. Back to white. The last thing that I want to show you in our smart kitchen, my favorite part of our smart kitchen is our Sonos system, okay? So when we had all of these walls open, we actually ran speaker wires. And yes, there are wires running to it. They're not Wi-Fi, but you can control them through Wi-Fi. So I can go into my iPad or I can go into my phone and I can just start playing music in here. And I can also use the home assistants, like I could just do this. So I like this. Turn the music off. So there's some smart features that if you're doing a kitchen that you might want to consider. I'll put a link to all this stuff down below. So if you want to pick it up, actually all of it's available on Amazon, which is really convenient. Hit that subscribe button. But I'm Mike, Family DIY TV, and I'm out. Ooh.